What's going on, guys? Shoot Bear here, and guess what? In this video, I am going to show you exactly how to use HighLevel to run, automate, and scale your auto insurance business, what we call property and casualty insurance. Give you a step by step. So if you're an auto insurance agent, broker, agency owner, you already know this. All right. Auto insurance isn't hard to sell, but it's hard to keep up. Because you're dealing with so much, right? Um, Quote requests coming in from everywhere, price shoppers ghosting you, follow ups falling through the cracks, policy renewals you forget to chase, right? Cancellation you could have saved, referrals you never asked for. Big one. And I believe using a tool like HighLevel, it can fix all that. Because by the end of this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how to automate quote, how to book more calls without chasing, big one, how to reduce policy cancellation, how to automate renewals and reviews, and how to create predictable referral sources. And you can literally run your agency with the system and the virtual assistant. Plus, I'll give you two creative strategies that I haven't heard no one talked about. So if you're an independent insurance agent or broker, this is for you. Let's get started. All right, first thing first. In my opinion, the real auto insurance problem is that most auto insurance agents think they need more leads, right? And in my humble opinion, I don't think they do. They need faster follow up and better system. Okay. Auto insurance buyers are impatient, right? I mean, I've done it. If you don't respond in minutes, they move on, right? So I think you can use a tool like HighLevel to solve that by becoming your 24/7 automated sales assistant. So let me give you systems on what that looks like. System number one, you automate quote to appointment funnel, right? So this to me is the foundation. So somebody requests a quote, boom, they fill out the request quote form. Everything is collected in a form, vehicle info, driver's age, coverage type, zip code, current insured, expiration date, right? Phone, email, name, boom, done. The moment that gets submitted into HighLevel, there's a contact that automatically get created. That lead it's tagged properly, so it's segmented. A pipeline card is created. The automation start instantly. And then literally a few seconds later, guess what? Within that 10, 15, 20 second, HighLevel send them a text message saying something like, got your quote request. Grab a quick 10-minute call here. Your link to book a call right there. They also get an email with booking link, and you can even add even a voicemail drop, right? This alone can double your contact rate because now you're not chasing those phone numbers. Okay. Step number three, appointment confirmation, reminders. You can use HighLevel to automatically send confirmation text, calendar invite, 24-hour reminder, text and email, 1 hour reminder, 10-minute reminder. So to make sure that the person get on a call with you. No more no shows, right? Because if there's consistent reminder, you don't have to chase people. They'll see it via text and they can jump on right away. System number two is the sales pipeline. Your pipeline might look like this right now. No quote, contacted, appointment set, quote sent, follow up, bound, active policy, renewal, referral requested, done. Each stage triggers follow ups, reminders, internal alerts, next step instruction, really big one. Nothing gets lost because everything is automated and set up properly. Nothing relies on memory. All right. Human memory can be funny sometimes. System number three, automated follow up for price shoppers. That's a big one. Think about it. A lot of auto insurance buyers, they rarely buy on the first quote. They'll call 5 or 10 different people to get a quote. Well, you can set up a 30 to 90-day follow-up sequence on HighLevel. Like, hey, still shopping, right? Quick rates changed this week. Did you see it? Did you ever get coverage? Here's how to lower your premium. All those mini texts is a way for you to stay on top of mind without being annoying. This is where I think most policies get bound. Okay. And then system number 4 is the onboarding process, the client experience. To me, that is huge because once a policy is bound, HighLevel can automatically send a welcome message, explain next steps. That could be via text, email, or video. Send policy documents, confirm payment setup, schedule a review reminder. Big one. Schedule a review reminder. Clients feel taken care. You look professional. Things are done properly. And I'll give you another one. System number 5, renewal and retention automation. To me, this is where a lot of agencies lose money, especially independent agencies. And I think you can leverage HighLevel to fix that. You can literally automate 60-day renewal reminders, 30-day renewal reminders, right? Coverage review offers. Hey, we found you saving messages. You have these set up and categorized and tagged properly. You're good. Because most cancellation happen because nobody followed up. They never heard from you after the first payment, right? Automation can stop that. So I want to take this example, right? You are an independent auto insurance agent and you've been losing a lot of renewal every month, right? So you don't have any reminder system. You don't have any follow-up process beside the human and the Google Sheets, right? Your tracking is not up to par, no retention strategy. So think about we can come in, install HighLevel automation for quotes, follow-ups, renewal, referrals. And guess what? Within 90 days, once the system is set up, watch your renewal rate increases, your cancellation drop, your referral double because you stay in front of people, your admin workload drop massively, right? It's not magic. It's just having the right system in place. And you know what? I'm going to take it a step further. I'm going to give you 2 creative strategies that you can use in your business. I haven't heard nobody talks about these. So grab a pen and paper and write these down. To me, these are super powerful. Strategy number 1, the rate watch automation. I haven't seen anybody use this one. You can literally tag people on HighLevel for policy expiration date, carrier, premium range, right? So then you can automatically send those people a message like this. Hey, John, we're monitoring rates for your policy. If we find a better option before December 31st, we'll let you know. This position you as a trusted advisor, not a salesperson, because you're looking at the best interest of that client. And guess what? That make the client stay with you longer. They're more loyal because you've been proactive. All right. I'll give you a second strategy. This is a life change trigger for auto insurance. So most agents never follow up after the policy is sold. They just go to the next one. Well, you can set up triggers and automation within HighLevel for birthdays, new driver age, address changes, marriage, new vehicle purchase. So I'll give you an example, right? Hey, congrats, John, on the new car. Want us to review your policy to make sure you're fully covered, right? Something like that. Now it feels a little bit more personal, and that can be a text or an email. Their lead to easy upsells. Okay, I think the most powerful combination is having HighLevel as your system, and then having a virtual assistant set that up and manage your inbound leads, book appointments, update CRM, send documents, right? Handle renewals, request reviews, tracks follow-ups. So you focus on selling. The system handles the rest. And then the VA manage the system for you and set it up. So if you want to get more bound policies, fewer cancellation, more referrals, less admin work, and more predictable growth, I added a free 30-day trial of the HighLevel system. You could grab the link in the comments or in the notes, right? Get started with that. And on top of that, I'm going to give you access to our team. So book a VA strategy call where we can match you with one of our virtual assistants to set this whole thing up for you. So you're not trying to figure it out yourself. So you get a free 30-day trial and a free strategy call where we can provide you with a VA that can set this whole thing up for you, right? So in the strategy call, we'll map things out and talk things through. And then you can choose, if you want to take advantage of our virtual assistant program to get things set up and manage it long term. Why don't we help you automate your insurance business the smart way? Let's go. Click the link. Let's get the ball rolling.